Abusa mabu na Kasoa edwalai omko kwa pai omu kire se he omu nimu da sa felis Naa Koryoo oye sasabonsam woye sasabonsam sa efa ntra obedi fa Hawa Koomson ho e ba Ghana fo nyina ye time ami no on se afei na kran aba abontana no kran ba ye no ana Kasoa fo na se eho ye ne mpeso adom je se he maami we sa ene atwan de ebe omu ba class we dom kire se maami no on pa chew onpa Hawa Koomson achew na for wi a onpa Kasoa for the Ghana for nyina achew na ebe ya onfa the position no ento ho no mo be man kire mu no akire wadwe amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mezo ase ni di mo ko be like video no ada ma subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest update na be kire wadwe de amame e wo comment section mezo so ba so no one share post enya bi ahwe eje to be wi nansia mu ana hu za videos bi e go viral as e free Kasoa ana Kasoa youth na ho no mkra no ebi ebu ofri se say ene bi start e consonance no enkoye etino omo ani enshada enye sa
Assam to say
Someone bad down and be a bibi. Ebia Kasoa mo beka se dia se dada. Ade a ye be ye no, e be san ye dimboni.
Sam je fini card ni. So what I say? Hwe, ni no mani ne go chiri. Me dis crash in the office. Say o, crash. Ejuma ne aye manasi. Wanya be bit. Tinu e be ya anka misu. Ye pa be information o se on to me buami. Me tell me ba on ni muhwi ya wo ifidu. Otibe e papa anya una se ndisi baba ejuma no na osre mi ya. Me ba dey asre mi fie no. Ti wu kam se fie met me atra.
National security abakuro mu anu ya edi ya ese yente ye ya te akoshe obi mu nsa enye obi ada roman ka ye himi dan ka ho na the party aba me dan wati fi MC ni bodyguard a odi nechi on kan kire mi se wonye MPP ni akwala so carpet no bae 2016 2020 oka wo mu a mu ba odupanpe bebu ye bra na okasa after me no torik oka wo ye ma Hawa Koomson ma ko bu ye nua awu torik ye bra penyu no
Kasoa Zongo Ward NDC executives na wo hey after the election ya hu say ya neglect Zongo Ward ade nso em say ye chaade a wadwuma wa ye no na ye hwe na ede ma wo bibi but upon ho a adwuma ya ye wo ha during election ye prapra ye nkofo ni bi ebinu ye chesu omu dituo nyina ye gina so ya ye but opportunity bia e ba Zongo e ba constituency mu di Zongo Ward ya neglect ye ya Zongo Ward executive and this executive ya neglect ye totally opportunities bia e ba constituency mu Zongo Ward ye ma bi na abana ye call enu hwe voter Zongo Ward e ma enu a suchen ward bia in fact the vote difference near 5,000 but Zongo Ward alone pollute the difference 2,190 ama ebrum buefu ye buefu ankasa omo ansori na omo ya bibi mfawo a de bebe kire bia no ma omo bre mi Zongo Ward bia
Wo ifidu. Otibe e papa anya una se ndisi baba ejuma no na osre mi ya. Me ba dey asre mi fie no. Ti wu kam se fie met me atra.
National security abakuro mu anu ya edi ya ese yente ye ya te akoshe obi mu nsa enye obi ada roman ka ye himi dan ka ho na the party aba me dan wati fi MC ni bodyguard a odi nechi on kan kire mi se wonye MPP ni akwala so carpet no bae 2016 2020 oka wo mu a ba odupanpe bebu ye bra na okasa after me no torik oka wo a ye ma Hawa Koomson ma ko bu ye nua awu torik ye bra penyu no
In the school feeding by yani ya ma omuni ebimu ena ache ena omu ye adwuma no obi wa owo ye mu ye pai ni ti during election ye nua ba ko ye di tuo di nechi me a me kasa me ye botuo 3 times e wo miti so nti sinka me wu a nka chese ma yen kwose wu someone bad down am be ye bibi ebia Kasoa mo beka se dia se dada ade a ye be ye no e be san ye dimboni
Sam je fini card ni. So what I say? Hwe, ni no mani ne go chiri. me dis sa crash na chi wɔ office say o crash edwuma no ayɛ ma na si wanya baby tinu ebe ya anka me so yɛn pa baby information o si on to me boami me tell me ba on ni mu hwi a ɔwɔ ifidu ɔte be e papa nyɛ wona say ndisi baba edwuma no na ɔsere me ya me ba de sere me fie no ti wu ka mo say fie met me atra
national security aba kurom ano yɛayɛ din yɛayɛ sɛ yɛnte yɛ yɛate akɔhyɛ obi mu nsa ɛnyɛ obi ada roman ka yɛhye me dan ka ho na the party aba me dan want fi MC ne bodyguard a odi n'akyi ɔnka nkyerɛ me sɛ wɔnyɛ MPP ne akwala ɔkɔ so carpet na ɔbaeɛ 2016 2020 ɔka wɔn a wɔn ba wɔde pankpe bɛbu yɛ bra na ɔkasa after me no torik ɔka wɔn a yɛ ma awɔ kumsi ma wɔn kɔbu yɛ nua a wɔwu torik yɛ bra panyin no
na obekaya 24 election mo no night of the election 7th December the 9th no ana ensemfo ebe hyeta Ghana ha no anya ye Felix Naa Koryoo a we NDC ni parliamentary candidate then now on na sitting MP for Awutu Senior East constituency honorable Felix Naa Koryoo obeka nsem bia do chirem say election day no Hawa Koomson and the boys e be attack or no Miss Naa Koryoo and obepe no kura ekunu. I want to the point say Hawa Koomson and the boys quite fire gunshot, but she was so lucky say car na no mu na tie pick up no Mahindra pick up no na on the front Emma na the boys and the back into move fire gunshot no e can the boys ni but no she was so lucky say and cannot. There's a mommy creative very nice story Emma you know oh you are story ni na no hey captain ko just smart e ho ne pf na so ye onua onua team na so ye na do e pf na do we because of that no Hawa Koomson Ghana for fan ho time pa bi mo ednet to tam kuruwa mu time ame na nkasa yi ni omu yam e time ame no for no reason just because omu NDC for ana NDC omu member ba go e claim say Hawa Koomson abi attack ntene NDC for nyina adwa ama ame no ame no obo penokura ekun de bi is omu peno edin bani mewa ye ntwa for dead body bia mechre na I was even asking myself say how say na Felix e kire mu say Hawa Koomson ekun the boys mienu a dead bodies no ewai when ntwa for dead bodies bia mechre enti eba ne saya mami e kasa ya Ghana fo nyina gidi say agimifuo bi say I just wonder say when ntwa for dead bodies bia mechre ke me boys ni ko omunie enipa tu omunie anam wabo omutu aku when ntwa for bodies bia mechre enti eba ne saya Ghana fo nyina etimije Felix Naa Koryoo sem ni tu mu simple say eye dai na ya sense mi yan say eye tro bi say nansi yan ana Muntaka Mohammed interior minister set a task force bi say omo election violence case a court 24 election no omo yehwemu na omo say Hawa Koomson wanye bibia o sense ma Felix Naa Koryoo be kan nyina no eye tro so
2024 election violence cases, starting with Awutu Senior East constituency, that's Kasoa. The task force observed that the Honorable Felix Naa Koryoo Okeno denied that her convoy was attacked. She was nowhere near the scene of the incident. Persons who were involved in the incident have avoided speaking with the task force, while Muhammad Ali and others who were in the Mahindra pickup truck and fired shots from their vehicle have also avoided speaking with the task force. So their opinion have not been established. Muhammad Ali is said to have been flown abroad for further treatment. The late Yusuf Larry Idris died from a gunshot, and those who were in the Mahindra pickup with him know what happened. The driver of the Mahindra has been traced, and further investigation is ongoing. The task force will continue with the investigation. Tolong.
That's what we go Hawa Koomson anymore say. And according to some of the Kasoa people, don't say Hawa Koomson but you know constituency anymore. Oh, how are you Juma part and someone ego question. And a ma omo eco believe in a tro L2T Hawa Koomson. The much Felix Naa Koryoo say, hey, on me power Koomson acho. And yes, I hold them on. Oh, who we
Bepa Ghana fo nyina acho no bepa Kasoa fo nso nyina den echo na yo no so ye gini tum se oye mpi wo Kasoa ha se wa mepa cho de a edu abato a enya de obi betimi ato abaye den ama no san se wo ye mpi na otwanto etu unyonko so a ebe den na ye hu se ubebu Kasoa ha ye na bla no kra na dedi na Koryoo hu say ade oye no wanye ni yie dia ene wa so mpa Ghana fo nyina acho ese ye maame no ono ye obatan na odo nipa enti onye saa de no the esini die na ne ka say the esini die was say nko be pa cho but self na en say your person nipa say o me pa cho nti onu anka say hwe ni mu no hu say de wa ye Kasoa fo bone since you original Kasoa name or parliament is so much like Kasoa for boni nti wata memra na me pa Kasoa for child ya Kasoa so e ready say e be gina tu na obe ye child pa na eden abrey e ready onu ankasa on paye maame chow ye maame de ni papa wo ye ni papa asem si ye no ye na ye sun e say ye maame on timi ndi say awudie no nti say na maame Koryoo no ana no muto no wa kasa enti sade a on paye maame chow asumdwe ne ye na ye hwehwe
Sima obisa ye yes interior minister any a police form work Kasoa say omonto nsanfre ye maame Felix Naa Koryoo kap me say enye asamba ko na yen nsamienu wo baka ya nsantwofo mbibi etobi ekasa ewo ewutu briku eno so odeba ebe ye press conference ewo Kasoa police station ebe tin nso so na gbebisa Koomson asoma the bodyguard mo wakobo bitu ewo briku na ni ya no enye no kre nti yes say police for ento nsamfre no wa bra no kre na adedi na nsem bi o ma omutumi embisa no na chechemi ono famra no owie so a onfa chopa fa maka afoman no fa chopa anfa kama ora gbebisa Koomson di kan ya de yan nsantwofo edi commande ya ka acha ne say police for ento nsamfre no munye investigation ono ankasa so on pacho say one pacho a nurse of action no ya de bato ano so kapm de wa ye asema amini din egu maame no fi egu party no fi edu baby development on abobisa Koomson aye Kasoa nsantwofo am Kasoa asem nim mpuntu yo bebre edu baby no mpuntu do no mum akachefo ema ntwo na NDC fo no faaye e de ko election 2024 no ene mum na ti de nkofo eti e Kasoa am nti ya sen so on pacho so wan pacho be me se do to ya de bato so am nya mati
comes with great pride and relief the official confirmation by the Minister for the Interior, Honorable Mubarak Muntaka Mohammed, that no evidence has been found against Honorable Koomson in connection with investigations into the alleged election-related disturbances during the 2024 general elections. This statement from the Minister is a total vindication of Honorable Koomson and the MPP in Kasoa, who have long maintained innocence in the face of malicious political attacks and misinformation. The MPP notes with deep concern how elements within the then opposition National Democratic Congress, NDC, led by their now Member of Parliament, Felix Naa Koryoo, deliberately spreading falsehood to damage the reputation of Honorable Koomson. Today, by their own government investigation, those very lies have been exposed and discredited. The Interior Minister's briefing confirms what the MPP and the good people of Kasoa have always known, which is Honorable Koomson was never involved in any act of violence, and the entire narrative pushed by the NDC was a calculated smear campaign to score cheap political points ahead of the 2024 elections. We also take this opportunity to call out certain armchair journalists and social media commentators who carelessly circulated unverified reports and quotes fake eyewitness accounts without cross-checking the facts. Such unprofessional conduct does not only mislead the public, but also undermines the credibility of Ghana's media landscape. The MPP urge all journalists to uphold the ethics of their profession and resist being used as tools for political propaganda. Furthermore, the party calls on Felix Naa Koryoo and all those who willfully spread false allegations to issue a public apology to Honorable Hawa Koomson, the MPP, and the good people of Kasoa. These falsehoods have caused needless tensions and damaged the reputation of hard-working members of parliament and the general public. The MPP insists that political accountability must include taking responsibility for misinformation and urge relevant authorities to treat such conduct with the seriousness it deserves. Honorable Hawa Koomson remains a symbol of resilience, humility, and service. Despite months of character assassination, she has stood tall, focused on her mission of
Chira wa adwe mama e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media. Accra.